Hey there everyone, so a good evening to you. We are expecting to see a dry weekend. We will see conditions actually begin to dry out as we go later on into the night. Let's check out what's happening right now at Westport. As you can see, there are clouds that are currently in place, and those clouds will eventually start to break apart even more. That sun is going to be more of a focal point over the weekend. And now you can definitely tell that there are still some wet spots from where we had some rain earlier into the day, plus noticing a little bit of a bounce to the camera. Winds are still going to be relatively higher as we go on into the evening and into the first part of the night. Now, looking at Hurricane Ridge, you can tell there are cloudy skies, some of that snow that fell throughout the day, that's still there. But the system is moving eastward now, and as it does so, the drier weather comes in with high pressure for Saturday and also for Sunday. 47 as we head into this afternoon, and it looks like we're going to start to notice things quiet down behind that. 46 south winds coming in at about 15 miles per hour. Those skies, they are cloudy, but a lot of the rain really being shadowed by the Olympics across more of central Puget Sound. 46 in Tacoma, 48 right now in Shelton, sitting at 50 in Puyallup, and mid-40s around Forks. Now the moisture, it is a little farther to the north, and then you can see there's a cutoff area right here across parts of Central Sound. And then you go southward and we have a little more of that moisture that is showing up across parts of South Sound and heading eastward into the mountains. Our front's going to be moving on through, and as that happens, it's going to help to kick off some more snow across the northern and the central Cascades, where we could see possibly 6 to 12 inches of snow within that area where we have that winter weather advisory. We're going to notice, though, farther south, not as much moisture in place, so possibly only 1 to 3 inches expected there. Once the front pushes on by, expect high pressure to move on in, and we are quickly going to cut things off as far as the moisture deeper into the night. 6 p.m., however, we're still dealing with a lot of the showers, kind of off and on by this point, but they're around. Convergence zone not going to be too long lasting. We'll see that stick around near and north of Everett, but it generally will be in the form of light rain. Still seeing some of the snow too across more of the central and northern Cascades. After midnight, that's going to die off quickly. Then we go into early tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Very limited, if any, sort of shower activity, most of that up into the mountains, and then we're quieting down into tomorrow afternoon. Some fog developing late into Sunday and into your early Monday. We'll see that conditions will still be dry, but we do have another round of rain to come in as we go deeper on into the day there. Amounts of rain, additional probably about 1/10 of an inch for many spots. Not going to be a whole lot at all. Closer to 1/3 in Quileute, and then you go northward, and that's where we could see about 2/10 of an inch. And then the snow amounts, we'll see those between about 6 to possibly 7 or 8 inches. Southward, Snoqualmie Pass and south, 1 to 3 expected in those locations. Here's your forecast tonight. It is going to cool down. Clearer skies, colder air mass coming in behind the front. A lot of low to mid 30s. So chilly nights ahead, but the afternoons are going to be really nice as we get up to around that 50-degree mark. Just shy of it for tomorrow. We'll top off at 51 on Sunday. A light chance of rain moving through on Monday, but other than that, it looks like the rest of the next 7 days will be dry starting up on Tuesday through next Friday.